Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make an ARC shape in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I make an ARC shape in this blank document. At first, you have to go insert menu. Then click this drawing, then click plus new option. Now you can see here a drawing interface. Now I insert ARC shape in this interface. Go to shape menu. Now click this shape and choose find your ARC shape. Then draw, shift on the keyboard and draw your ARC shape. Now I change this shape white to 16 pt and pixel, and I change this colors to blue. Then press save and close. Now we can see we make an ARC shape in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.